I'm a horse.
I'm a male bloodo.
5.
I'm
4,
sorry.
3,
So am
2, 1.
Oh, it definitely works now, but it's covering my raid frames.
That's probably good.
Yeah.
On the one hand, you're a DPS, it doesn't matter that much. On the other hand, you're the raid leader, so it should
I feel like
probably
it
matter.
matters a lot. I feel it's
seems to do fine.
Mitovo doesn't have to care about other people.
That's true.
Yeah. That's
So-
why I said on the one hand.
The people I can't see are Traps, me, Dead Memes, Krungor, and Naro. So
mostly
you
not
guys don't
important
matter.
people.
Yeah, you guys don't matter.
Never did.
Story of my life.
Watch your feet, balls after.
76%.
We have 20 seconds and 3% to go. Get off the boss.
When every tick
Kill the
of
third
mine,
ball.
when every tick of mine
Tick
flay
pads.
procs a free mind blast.
10 seconds, 1%. Alright, push it.
Won the lottery with that.
We're going left, and after we get through, we'll totem. Make sure you're baiting, Kerwin.
Yep.
Middle. Right.
Yeah, we're all masturbators here.
Left. This is far left. Middle. We can bait this. Middle again. Easy bait. And we're going to the far right, and this is the last one. No need to rush this. Stay
Watch
away
your
from the
fire
spike.
placement. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait. Go. Range will have chains coming out shortly, followed by hammer, which we are depoing. I can... Okay, thank you.
Of course.
Spiked balls coming, watch your feet. Other side. Swap. We have creeping spikes incoming. This next set is traps with Link, Harry's Rally. Range will get chains in 5 seconds. Spiked balls after, watch your feet. They're on us, this is easy. Next set is traps if we get it, and this is going to be silvers invoke. Watch the creeping spikes here. Pushing boss. Focus on getting around these creeping spikes and dodging the fire, and then we'll group up. Try to group up. We'll go forward together. Drop totem to the left. Middle right. There's no need to rush this, we can pull back. This is back to the left. Stay stacked. Middle. We're gonna go to 4 together on this next one.
Stack hard.
We're gonna go to the left, and this is the last one. No need to rush, we can pull all the way back here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Save it. Lust. Range will get chains. Followed by balls. This first one is going to be Nothing. Just lost.
Back up, back up.
Watch the creeping spikes. Pump this fucking boss. Traps is next. Get smooth brain up. Chains are coming out right now, and then you get spike balls.
Looking at
Balls are on the other side. Go. Chains get away. Rally. Watch the creeping spikes and go through. Next set is going to be AMZ. Sorry, I lied. Next set is going to be Devo with AMZ. Devo here. Perfect. Ranged is going to get chains in 3 seconds. And we will get spiked balls after. If you have chains here and you can immune, do so. Everyone go to the balls, chains get away. Parry rally. Stay focused, get this ball down. You have creeping spikes incoming, and we're dropping traps. We're gonna have Link for these traps.
Middle traps. Middle traps.
Dropping traps in the middle. Thank you.
Focus up.
Link on the boss here. Chains will have to get out. Any cooldowns you have, healing cooldowns, health pots, lockstones, 800k. Stay focused and you got it. Plenty of time here. Get in the middle, plenty of time. Nice fucking job, guys.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Holy
Hell
shit.
yeah, guys.
Bro, I'm gonna be honest, I was
Holy
so stressed out because I saw one of those traps and I'm like, we're so fucking dead.
Oh,